Hey everybody, just to let you know we're in redneck territory. Look at this gym. Yeehaw!
Ain't nothing better than this golf cart right here. I have to put batteries in it. That's about it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. He just sneaks them in like this. Nice and quiet. Sits in the fucking trees.
We're gonna have a little bonfire tonight. This is gonna be some good shit, Lee.
Oh, yeah,
Kyle, you gonna put on your channel?
Hell yeah.
oh boy, here she goes.
Here she goes. Oh!
God damn!
Yeah!
God damn!
Oh, fuck. That was some percussion
I
there.
just heard the percussion there.
That was fucking pretty intense. Holy shit.
That's a big ass motor, though, that was. Fucking hell.
You get the explosion?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, if you did, I think you sent it to me. I missed it.
I fucking.
Hey, you sent that picture.
Oh!
Yeah, I think it's past. If you're cooking on it, it can't say anything. I think we're past that point. Where's Dylan?
Put this thing together! Me! That's who!
Except one of them was an asshole. I don't know. Probably wanted to give it to you.
Yeah, so they can get arrested. Yeah, and the cops can get arrested too by other cops. Look how small they're making it. And then I'll arrest them. No, the whole thing out. And then it's going to be no problem. Look how they're making it.
This sucks, and it's horseshit. But I'm too polite to say anything, because I'm a class act.